Hey, it's Holly, and I'm super excited. I've been waiting patiently. Not very patiently, actually, but I've been waiting to open this little guy. Isn't he fun? Okay, so when I went, if you guys watched my last video, you know that I went to the fiber fair, and I bought this at a booth called Cat Sock Fibers. Had to stop and think for a minute. Didn't want to say her name wrong. Cat Sock Fibers. It's a mystery. It was $25. I'm not trying to hide the price on you guys. $25. And it is supposed to have a skein of yarn. I won't know what weight or what color. I have no idea what's in this box. And some wool wash and possibly, I think like she said, a stitch marker or a cozy. I don't know. I don't remember. There was a lot going on there that day. There's a little fly that just, I don't know. I live in the country, people. Flies happen. Anyway, so I waited to open it here with you guys, which is killer. You guys don't even know. I was on vacation. This little guy was staring at me like, look at me. You want to know what's in me? And I was like, no. But anyways, so here we are. Let's open it up. So again, Cat Sock Fibers. I loved her. You guys know I bought a beautiful purpley pink tonal yarn from her that I am just cannot wait to get started with. And now I'm super excited. I'm really hoping this is one of her colorful yarns because she had a couple that I just loved, but I had to get that purple. Got a little ribbon. I'm putting it in a drawer. I'm not throwing it on the floor, everybody. Maybe. Go, you fly. This box is so cute. Okay, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's hooked. Hold on, it's hooked on the little thing. So the yarn I got is this yellow, which I actually really like. Let's see what we got. It is a DK. I get 246 yards, and it's called French Vanilla. It's really pretty, kind of like a yellowy tonal color. Isn't that really pretty, guys? I love that. Some darker spots in there, some lighter. In a DK. I don't have much DK, but I'll find something to use it with because it's pretty. And then she put in some wool wash, like I said. It's got a little wool wash square. And then she makes these adorable little DPN cozies. So I don't use DPNs. Even when I do knit, I don't use DPNs. But you can actually use this as a crochet hook cozy too. Let me see if I've got a hook that'll fit in there. Do you think this guy will fit in there? Oh, look at that. Boop, boop. Little crochet hook cozy is perfect. Oh, so it's very, very cute. She makes these. Aren't they adorable? And this beautiful yellow yarn. So, so pretty. I love her. Oh my gosh, her stuff's great. So you can find her online everywhere as the Cat Sock Fibers. Her Etsy store is Cat Sock Fibers LLC, so go check her out. She has gorgeous, gorgeous yarns. This is very, very pretty. And these cute little cozies. And some wool wash. So that was my surprise box. I'm pleasantly surprised with it. I love it and can't wait to figure out what I'm going to do with it, which is always the fun part, right guys?